All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new wireless alarm set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So if you're looking to upgrade or switch out, I'm looking to switch out my alarm provider. This can be a good one. There's no long-term contracts with them. So let's see what we actually get. So you get a couple like stickers that are deterrents. User manual for it. Some troubleshooting. So this is one of the main keypads for it. So how you disarm and arm. All right, and then let's go ahead and go through this box. And then this is what the actual sensors look like. They are battery powered. And here's the base for it. Very cool. This will actually sound off as well. It's about 120 decibels if it does get triggered. And then you get 2 of these key fobs, so you're able to operate your alarm system as well. And here is to power up your main base. Does use a Type-C. And right here you have plenty of adhesive so you can stick on those sensors. And then you do get this motion sensor as well. So these are more for like doors and windows. And then this one will be specifically more just for strict motion. And for the sensors, they all have their own batteries already installed. Like that. So put this back. So like you don't have to go and get batteries, they already come with some. And then this is the other piece to it. One of these will go on the door and then the other one will go on the outer part of it. So then whenever the door opens, it gets triggered letting you know, or as well as for a window, same thing. So let's go ahead and actually set them up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you where I installed 2 of my sensors. So this one I did put by the window. It's super easy to install. It's literally just 2 double-sided tapes right here. But watch, once I lift this up, watch this. So you can see it detects that there has been activity and then it'll send an alert to your phone letting you know that there has been activity on this sensor. Go ahead and put that back. But very simple to install, very clean, very easy to do. All right, and this is the one that I put for my outside door. So watch. So you can see automatically detects that there is some activity here. So it'll go ahead and send you a notification. So that way if you have any kids and they went to the backyard and they weren't supposed to, you're able to know that immediately and get that notification. As you can see, the installation for those sensors was very simple, and these as well. What was cool is when I installed it, it actually brought all of the accessories along with it. But if it doesn't, it's literally as simple as just hitting add accessory, whether it's a set like a door sensor or a key fob or a keypad, it's very simple to add anyway. So I just wanted to show, so like if I wanted to arm or disarm from here, I could do so. So I'll just hit like arm. And now the sensors are all armed. And if you're home and you're just gonna be going in and out or whatever, you just wanna hit that disarm. And now you're good to go ahead and open it. One of the cool features about the key fob or any of the other ones, they have like this one's got like the panic button right here. This one's got an SOS button as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play very briefly because it is pretty loud, but just so you can get an idea. So that way, one of the sensors does go off, check this out. I'm gonna stop it pretty quickly, but just so you can get an idea. As you can see, pretty loud, and you can probably hear this throughout the whole house. So I thought that was another cool feature. And then if we wanted to use the keypad, this one, if it was armed and you're trying to disarm, then you will need to put your 6-digit pin. Let's say we do arm it, right? So we'll go ahead arm. And if we're trying to disarm it with this, we'll go ahead and put our code in. And there it is, it's disarmed. So very simple, like I said, 6-digit pin. You can set up whatever you like. So again, very cool. And then this can either be set like wherever you want, like on a table, or you can mount this on a wall or something like that. So very cool keypad, 2 key fobs. The base is super cool and super easy to connect all your sensors to them. So like if you guys have kids at home and you don't want them going to the backyard or through the front door, and you want to be able to hear if someone opens that door, this is a good setup for that, especially since, like I said, there is no monthly fees. Most companies now are charging, monthly fee for that kind of service. So if you guys are looking for a new wireless alarm system, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.